Shalom everyone. Few days back, I got this huge order for Father's Day and I made so many custom products for them. So let's see how I did that. So starting with the frames, there were total 10 designs and I made total 10 frames. For now, I outsourced the frames, but soon they'll be made in-house. And as you can see, it has a very beautiful shine on them because I used the special lamination coating which is of glitter and it looks really good. As you can see the beauty and the shine on the frames. And on the back side, I have attached this hook for them to hang it. And this is the special coating on the frame which keeps it secure from the scratches and dust. You can see this verse on the top of the frame which is related to the Father's Day and it looks really beautiful with the frame. And now, for the best part, the custom stickers. So I've included these stickers with the frames. These are the mini version designs of the frame itself. Now let's cut it. While I'm cutting this, I would like to tell you that I accept the orders from all around the world. So you can DM me on Instagram or contact me directly on the WhatsApp which is given on the screen. And you can also follow me on the Instagram for the next updates. So I'm done with the cutting. These are the final results. And for now, the next sticker. These are also some complimentary custom stickers from my side. So let's cut them. So in this custom sticker, I removed the background of the design and I gave the blue background which goes with the design very well. And with the glitter lamination, it looks really beautiful on the design. So as I'm done with all of the designs, as you can see, everything looks perfect. And for now, this circular design is perfectly fit for the iPhone's back ring. As you can see on the phone covers of the iPhone, the circular thing, yeah, right there, you can place them. So these designs are perfectly made for the circular ring cover of the iPhone. And now for the best part. This was the last moment idea that came into my mind, and I was really hoping that they would love this with their orders very much. So, this is not some complimentary thing that I did for them. So, I was planning to make small standees for them of these designs. So, AI is helping me a lot with these designs, but I'm also doing some manual editing with this because not everything comes perfect with the AI. So I took some foam sheets and I pasted all the stickers on them, and at the end I was going to give it a shape cut. That you'll see ahead in a moment. As I'm cutting this, I would like to share some fun facts with you. And the fact is that I am not using any kind of scale to cut them. These are perfectly hand cut. So you can say that this is 70 to 80% hand cut and handmade. So I'm done with the hand cutting. Now the best part. So I'm done with the shape cutting of these standees, and as you can see, they are looking really perfect. And you can see in the background the waste that came out of those standees. Perfect. Now I packed them together in the small pouches and I kept this aside. So from one side they are the iPhone ring stickers, and on the other side those are the custom shape stickers, and these are the mini versions of the frames. So Like this, I made the mini standee, and these look super cute. And with the frames, everything is done. So the frames look perfect, stickers look perfect, and everything is perfect at the end. Now, with the frame, I'm going to place this like this. So these are the both stickers. I've also kept aside the custom 3D made sticker, the custom cute kawaii sticker for them, and I've arranged it like this. And finally, this is how it looks. So these are some mini pouches which I brought specially for the mini standees, and these look super cool with them. So now for the final part. So this is how all the stickers look, and they are looking really perfect. So everything is done. Now we'll go ahead with gift packing. So for the gift packing, I've taken this white floral gift wrapping paper, and I'll just wrap it. So here was some challenging part because of the hanger that is behind the photo frame. It was really hard from the one side to pack it, because I was really stressed that the paper might tear up and everything would be ruined. But nothing happened, everything was really perfect. Everything is done, as you can see. So I was just searching for the hook that I kept behind, and this is the hanger that's behind the frame, and still the frame looks perfect. And this is the thank you sticker of seal of promise. So I'll just stick it in the front, and we are done with everything now. Everything looks perfect. And with the standees, our order is completed. Now for the final part that is remaining, that how will I give them. So for that, I brought these designer paper bags for them, and these are really perfect, and I'll just keep everything inside. And yeah, we are done with the order. So this is only the one sample that I'm showing you, but I did same thing for the rest of the orders. So here we are done with the packaging. So it took me several hours to complete this, and it was a lot of work, but I really enjoyed it because I'm really passionate about making these things. So right now while you're looking at the screen, these are the mini standees that I made, and this was my new product that I was going to launch. And I thought that I should launch this with this order because there's no perfect time to launch anything. If you hope that it's good, then it's good. You should really go for it, and I did the same. I made this for them, and at the end, if you're watching this video and you're still here watching this video, I really wanted to show you something. So this was their reaction after getting their hands on the product that I gave them, and they were really happy. And it was also overwhelming experience for me because I've never got this huge order. This was my very first custom huge order for Father's Day, and I was really happy to fulfill it. So that's all for today's video. If you liked this video, you can like, share and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you feel like ordering something from me, you can DM me on the Instagram, and you can follow me on the Instagram for the latest updates. I post rarely on the Instagram, but now I'll be continually posting on the Instagram about many of the things and many of my designs. I'll post regularly on the Instagram and also on the YouTube. So you can subscribe to this channel. You can turn on the notification bell to just get notified every time that I upload any of the videos. And also you can check out my other shorts that I made before. So I also do custom stickers, I also do my own designs, I also do frames, and also this mini standees. And I'll be launching many of the new products in future, like in upcoming days. Not also in future, not only in the future, but in upcoming days I will be launching many of the new products that you'd love to see. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Shalom. Peace.